Introducing Bender Pulse, a new managed remote service to revolutionise hospital electrical infrastructures. It's about saving money by identifying, through the Pulse online live platform, high electrical usage areas and increasing uptime by monitoring electrical infrastructure 24/7. Valuable time is also saved with instant notifications and automated reports. It's also about transitioning to a smarter hospital and ensuring continuity of electrical supply in critical environments. Bender Pulse is a data-led, diagnostic and proactive approach for handling the monitoring and maintenance of your hospital critical electrical infrastructure. Through continuous monitoring techniques, advanced reporting, remote diagnostics and data analysis, potential problems are diagnosed and alerted earlier, resolved quicker and in a more cost-effective way. Benefits include reduces downtime, decreases call-out activity, improves visibility, enhances compliance. With Bender UK, the future of hospitals doesn't just look bright, it looks smart. To sum it up, Bender Pulse tackles today's hospital challenges, paving the way for smart hospitals ready to embrace the future of energy. Talk to a Bender expert about how Bender Pulse can future-proof your systems, lower your costs, and give your teams the visibility they need.